Yeah, hi. The project title name is Vehicle Theft Detection using GPS, GSM and Arduino board. So in this project we are using 5 volts power supply module, GPS GY6MV2 GPS module connected to the 4th pin, GSM 900A RX TX 0 and 1, theft key detected 3rd pin, 16x2 LCD display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, engine connected to the 7th pin, alarm connected to the 6th pin. And ADXL335 rash detection connected with X coordinate and Y coordinate 0 and 1. So owner can start the engine. Ash capital S, engine on, there is no spaces, vehicle on. So engine on, engine off without using key. If the theft detected and engine, we can stop the engine. Ash capital S, vehicle stop star. So we have two parts. Okay, one is owner part and theft part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. Okay, so press down. Okay, you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, GSM SIM 900A module. We are using Idea 3G SIM card we are using. You can use Idea 3G or 4G SIM card. Okay, slowly insert the SIM card. Okay, remove the SIM card, insert the SIM card slowly. Okay, press down, insert it and lock the SIM card. Lock, press down, unlock, lock, unlock. GSM SIM 900A module, power supply board, 5 volts power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, 80 mega 328 controller IC, reset button, USB programming. And here one green LED and one red LED indicators, ADXL335 rash detection, 16x2 LCD display connected to the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And theft key detected, engine, alarm and the GPS module, GPS GY6MV2 GPS module. And we are getting the alert messages, rash driving, okay, engine stop. Okay, so now we are going to start the power supply. Vehicle theft detection using GSM, GPS and Arduino Uno R3 board. Getting GPS data, please wait. Here the GPS LED, we need to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. GPS LED is blinking, latitude value, longitude value came, GPS is blinking, success. GSM initializing, GSM module testing, GSM initialized successfully. Now so open the app or you can send the SMS, no key detected, red LED. We can arm the engine. Okay, copy, paste, hash capital S, engine on, then send. So we are sending the SMS to this SIM card. SIM card will send the data to Arduino. Engine on success. Okay, we can stop the engine also. Okay, motor off, copy, paste. Okay, then send, hash capital S dot MOTOROFF, engine off, engine successfully off. Okay, so owner part completed. Theft part. Okay, take the theft key. Okay, then theft key, engine started, alarm on. Okay, engine green LED on, latitude value, longitude value, we will get the SMS alert here. Somebody taken the vehicle. Okay, alarm on, somebody taken the vehicle, latitude position, longitude position, open this location. Okay, we can track the vehicle also. Otherwise, if the vehicle is moving rash driving, Rash driving detected. Any side you can bend it. Rash driving detected. Okay, engine on, theft key, GPS module. Okay, SMS sent. We will get the SMS alert here. Rash driving detected. We can stop permanently. Okay, VECH STOP stop. Copy, paste. Ash capital S dot VECH STOP stop. Engine off. Engine off permanently. Total engine off permanently. Okay, so engine off, latitude value, longitude value, we will get one SMS alert. Engine off totally. Okay, so it will come blank screen. Okay, engine off, engine stopped totally. Okay, please rescue. Okay, so it is struck the kit. Okay, so now you can come down. Okay, you can restart the kit. Okay, press reset button, then it will start main function as it is. So this is our block matter, owner part, theft part. So this is our total block diagram of the project. Okay, and this is kit. GSM SIM 900A. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Power supply board, ADXL 335 rash detection, Arduino Uno R3 board, theft key, engine, alarm, and GPS module. Okay, so Ash capital S dot VECH STOP stop, engine on, engine off, owner part. This one is the theft part. Thank you.